Hi people! So I'm back after almost 24 hours and this is video number 2 after preparation for our sour cream. So what happened is that we had the coconut yogurt for 12 hours in a dark corner or in the oven with the light on. So the fermenting process started and you can already see it's slightly decreased in volume. So what I'm going to do, I am putting this one back to give it a bit more fermentation in the refrigerator later. And we go from here and we're going to do our sour cream salad dressing. Okay, so we're gonna add in the just ordinary blender 3/4 cups it is about coconut yogurt, and then I prepared 1/4 cup of hemp seeds, your protein. I'm using kelp salt. You can use half a teaspoon or more to taste. Then 1 tablespoon of lemon and 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And if you don't want to use both, you can just go with 1/4 cup of whatever you prefer. Okay, then let's go. Open it up. So as I said before, I do love the Vitamix, but for small portions like this, the Vitamix is rather difficult because it doesn't really mix well. So we might want to add just a little bit of water to get the desired dressing consistency. You have to play with it. Alright, so that would be it. So, and then I'm going to pour that dressing over my broccoli, and I'm gonna keep one part just as a dip for the potato chips. Now this is important. If you don't have time, and I said this in the other video, if you don't have time to wait for 12 hours or for 24 hours for your dressing, you can just go ahead and do exactly what I did now. But I always prefer the fermenting. So in this case you wait 12 hours and then in the morning or the next evening you can make your dressing. So let me see. Chips are ready. Find this recipe also attached below, and please subscribe to my channel, and I see you back tomorrow with the sour cream recipe. Thank you very much. Bye.